Hello everyone! I'm excited to share with you a delightful recipe for white caramelized cranberry slices. Let's start. The step 1 is to prepare the base. Crush the Oreo to fine crumbs. You can do this by placing them in a Ziploc bag and crushing them with a rolling pin like I did, or by using a food processor. In the lined tray, combine the crushed Oreos with the melted butter and the condensed milk. Mix well. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of the tray to make an even base. Keep it in the fridge for 10 to 20 minutes to set. To make the filling, melt the white chocolate with butter and the condensed milk. Microwave it for a minute. Stir it well to melt the chocolate and you will get a grainy mixture like this one. Next goes in dried cranberries. Mix it well so that these are evenly distributed. Pour this mixture over the Oreo base. Spread it well with the spatula and the back of spoon. If you feel like all the berries are hiding in the base, add a few more on top. Here comes a last step. Decorate with pumpkin seeds. These add a nutty and crunchy flavor to the dessert. It's completely optional. You can skip it if you don't like the flavor. You can add nuts. Refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. Once set, remove the tray from the fridge and using a sharp knife, cut the mixture into slices or square or any shape you like. Serve chilled and enjoy your white caramelized cranberry slices. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.